Welcome to a brighter future with the 10-Minute Solar Podcast. In just 10 minutes, we'll illuminate your world with solar insights. From cutting-edge technology to practical applications, we break down complex solar concepts into bite-sized brilliance. Shine bright with the 10-Minute Solar Podcast. Subscribe now on YouTube for your daily dose of solar wisdom. This is brought to you by SE Power Consulting.
Hey, it's Emmett from SE Power Consulting here at NAPSAP 2025 in Reno, Nevada. And you know, I'm going to give you some stuff coming with SE Power Consulting. I'm your guy. You need to know a guy. One thing you need to know a guy about is safety. So I was walking by this booth. Last month, I was at the, what is it?
Intersolar?
The solar, yeah,
Yep.
Intersolar. And I saw these cool things here and how they catch. Now this carabiner and rope is different than when I was training.
Yep.
Now, can you tell me about, wait a minute, first, what's your name?
Kevin, my name's Kevin, Solar
I knew-
Tools USA.
I knew that, I was just testing him.
All
So Kevin, tell me what is the difference with this newer rope hook and carabiner.
right, so the ASAP that Petzl provides moves in every direction without your hands. So when you're on the roof, you can actually walk around without using your hands, and your fall arrestor will actually just move freely on the rope until you fall, at which point it will grab and keep you from going the rest of the way.
But the grab is not based on angle like some of the other ones are.
That is correct.
This one is based on velocity, correct?
Correct.
So if I pull this really fast, it'll catch.
It should. Boom, just like
Now
that.
if I pull it slow,
Now it's going to be locked.
now it's going to be locked.
Yep, so you're going to have to unlock it,
Okay.
where now it will actually work again.
So now if I pull it slow, I can move back. But
Correct.
if I slip,
It's going to
oh, that's sweet. No, I just thought, because I'm always talking about, you know, one of the things when it comes to being on the roof, when you're above 6 feet,
Yep.
you have to have some kind of fall arrest, fall pro that is relevant and hooked to you, and hooked to you well. You got to have a good harness. You got to have good mechanisms, and they can't have goop and stuff in them.
Yep.
This will save your life. It saves things on the property. When I stop by here, I'm like, I have to talk to this guy about this, and he was very willing to. What else can you tell me? Are there any new developments besides this that have come up? I see that these new hooks have a really different twist on them where you have to lift up and bend back, because before you could just twist them and pull back, but now you have to lift up and pull back.
So some big things with this gear is we worked directly with Petzl to take rock climbing gear and
Okay.
turn it into gear that's used specifically for solar installations.
All right.
So key one, you can actually utilize the chest D-ring
Oh.
for fall arrest, not just positioning, which is huge. That's
Okay.
a big deal. And then that's the same thing with the carabiner. This is a rock climbing carabiner.
Okay.
So if you're 1,000 feet up a cliff, you can't accidentally just put it in or take it off.
So what about waist D-rings? Is that a thing of the past, or what's going on with it?
Guys use them. That's really for like wind or for iron working. It's
Okay.
not. It's not just when we're bent over on a roof. We don't want a belt,
Right.
right? It's going to be chafing. It's going to be getting in your way. So the waist D-rings don't really help unless you have your side, and then you have to have a positioning belt for
Yeah.
that.
So your position,
Now you're just adding gear on gear on gear. And why
but
do
you
that?
still have the dorsal ring that's available to
Which
you.
is actually required. By,
Okay.
it's required by everyone to be there, no matter what.
Yeah, I came by here. I wanted to talk about this because this is so very important to the industry. And thank you so
Yeah.
much for taking the time.
Love it, Emmett.
Emmett with SE Power Consulting at NAPSAP 2025 in Nevada. Remember, Milwaukee is the next destination. Till next time, peace.